Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're discussing the rapidly intensifying conflict between Israel and Iran, a major escalation that could shape the future of the Middle East. With over 300 missiles launched by Iran in retaliation, and Pakistan publicly siding with Tehran, the situation has become more serious than ever. Let's break it all down. What happened, why it matters, and where this could be heading. The background. On June 13, 2025, Israel launched a massive airstrike under the codename Rising Lion, targeting Iran's nuclear infrastructure and military installations, particularly in Natanz and around Tehran. Israel claimed this was a preemptive strike to stop Iran from reaching nuclear weapon capability, something Western intelligence agencies have been warning about for months. This move was bold, but it came with massive consequences. Iran's retaliation. Just hours later, Iran responded with Operation True Promise 3, launching more than 300 ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and long-range drones toward Israeli territory. This marked Iran's largest direct strike against Israel to date. Iranian Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei called the retaliation a necessary response to what he called Zionist aggression. According to reports, some missiles reached Israeli cities, including Tel Aviv, causing casualties and infrastructure damage, though many were intercepted. This wasn't just symbolic, it was meant to show that Iran's military reach is real, and it's growing. Pakistan's response. Here's where it gets even more interesting. Pakistan officially condemned Israel's actions in strong terms, calling the airstrikes a violation of international norms and a threat to regional peace. The Pakistani government expressed full diplomatic and moral support for Iran, stating that every nation has the right to defend its sovereignty. As a Pakistani content creator, I aim to present the facts, but I must say, many in Pakistan see Iran's response as justified in the face of aggression. Public opinion across social media reflects this sentiment clearly. Global reaction. The United States has backed Israel, calling its actions defensive. Meanwhile, Russia, China, and Turkey have criticized Israel's move and urged de-escalation. The United Nations has called for restraint on both sides, warning that further escalation could trigger a regional war. World powers are watching closely, and with oil markets reacting, and regional alliances shifting, this conflict has truly gone global. What happens next? Will Israel strike again? Will Iran escalate further? Or will diplomacy prevail? For now, we can only analyze and stay informed. But one thing is clear. This conflict is no longer just about two countries, it's about the balance of power across an entire region. Closing. What do you think about Iran's response? Was it justified, or reckless? And how do you see Pakistan's support playing into the larger picture? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more sharp, neutral geopolitical content, from a Pakistani perspective with a global lens. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and stay informed.